there you have a very important news flow coming in. Bhavish Aggarwal has sold a part of his personal shareholding in the company to fully release all promoter-level share pledges, totaling about 260 crore rupees. You're looking at the sale that raises brows on the back of dwindling market share and even poor performance of the stock. In fact, Puneet is standing by to put all of this into perspective. Puneet, over to you.
Well, the key aspect is about 2.6 crore shares was sold in yesterday's trading session at almost 35 rupees per share, Ola Electric. Now, this is a 53% discount from the issue price of 76. So it's just the whole timing of the sale is very interesting. And it's largely to release a promoter pledge as mentioned. Now, this was roughly about 0.6% stake that was sold yesterday. And the company has actually come out and issued a clarification as well. They've said that this was to release a promoter level pledge of 260 crores. So from this transaction alone, they've raised roughly 92 odd crores as well. And the promoter will continue to hold approximately 34%. So this was only a personal transaction. That's what they've completely specified in this press release as well. But as I mentioned, the timing of the sale is very suspicious to say the least, because a 53% discount from the issue price as well, and almost a 65% lower share price from the 1 year high of almost 100 rupees per share. So hence, in terms of what street could expect, that is going to be the other key aspect to watch. The company's EV market share was also just 8% in the month of November, versus almost 30% that it commanded in whole of FY25. So it is at a disparate position in terms of the EV sales momentum. And when you look at Q3 of FY26, which is the ongoing quarter between October and December, the company's sales till date have been at 27,500 odd units. This compares to almost 84,000 units that they sold in the same time last year. So October to December of 2024, as visible on your screen right now, they sold almost 84,000 units. So it's down and out to say the least. Finally, for FY26, they had maintained a guidance which was lowered post Q2. So they now expect to sell roughly about 2.2 lakh scooters versus the earlier estimates of 3.7 lakh scooters at the upper end. And in terms of revenue as well, they cut the guidance in that quarter to roughly around 3,000 crores versus 4,200 crores in the lower band for FY26 earlier. So the company is going through a tough time to say the least. Will the momentum continue is something to watch out for.